Area question, region S is given to you, and they are also telling you that the area is alpha root 2, then what is alpha? So what do? We just quickly draw a very nice region which they are looking for. Once we get that right, it's easy. So let's get that right. So they are saying x is positive, even y is positive. What does that mean? That you are in the first quadrant. Okay. Second, they're saying y square is less than or equal to 4x. So first, what we do is we just draw what is y square is equal to 4x. It's a parabola which is opening towards the right. I only draw the upper half because I know I have to be in the first quadrant. The only thing now you have to think that whether this part of the region which curve is dividing, or this part of the region, which region we have to be in. So what do? We check any one point in either of the region. Let's say I take this region. A point on this region is 1 comma 0. Okay, now I have to check whether it satisfies this inequality or not. So I plug in y is 0. So 0 square is less than or equal to 4 times 1. Okay, which is true. 0 is lesser than 4. So that means this side of the region we have to be in. Okay, so we boil down into this much area, this region. Now let's see more of it. The other thing says that you have another parabola. So we have to again try drawing 12 minus 2x. Okay, if we want to very sure, we have to let it look like a standard parabola. So let me take minus 2 common. You are left with x minus 6. So this is a standard parabola. Y square is equal to minus 2x. That means you have to open to the left. Okay, and x minus 6 means you have to shift to the right by how much? 6. Okay, so you shift to the right by 6. So this point is 6 comma 0, and you draw a parabola opening towards the left. Okay, I just draw again the upper branch, not the lower one. And which side of the region you want? Again, because they have given you that this should be lesser than or equal to. Okay, check any one point. Let me check origin, if origin is there in the region or not. Okay, so you get 0 square, that's 0, is less than or equal to 12 minus 2 times 0, again 0. So 0 is lesser than 12? Yes. So which region are we looking for? Okay, this side of the region, okay, which has the origin in it. Okay, that means now the common area for both of them will be this region. Okay, we have boiled down into this region. Okay, so now we know all the points except this point. Can we quickly also figure out what is this point where they are two intersecting? Very easy. You have to solve these two parabola equations. So let's equate them. Okay, y square is 4x for the first one, and y square is 12 minus 2x for the second one. We will equate that, and very easy. 6x is 12, and we happen to get x value to be 2. Very nice. Okay, this point I got to be 2 comma 0. What's the y coordinate here? Again, y square is equal to 4x. Okay, x we got to be 2, so y will be 2 root 2, because we are only looking in the positive quadrant. So we got this point to be 2 comma 2 root 2. Okay, still more to go. Okay, because you have something else also here. That's a linear equation, it's a line. Okay, so let's try writing that line here. Root 8, I'm going to write 2 root 2. Okay, so 2 root 2x is lesser than equal to 5 times 2 root 2, that would be 10 root 2. Okay, so in order to draw this, let's divide by 10 root 2. Okay, and I will write x this side. Okay, so what do I end up in getting? I'm getting x upon 5 plus y upon, I'm going to write in intercept form, so everything I'm going to shift below y is equal to 1. Okay, so let's draw this line now. X intercept is 5, so somewhere here this is 5 comma 0. And what is your y intercept? 10 upon 3 root 2. How much will be that? 3.3 into root 2, 4 point, more than 4.5, right? So maybe somewhere here we're not sure. Okay, so which region are we looking for? This side of the line or that side of the line? What do we do? So let's check with the origin, if origin is there or not. Okay, I will plug in 0 comma 0. So I get a 0, right? Is 0 less than or equal to 10 root 2? I'm plugging here. Okay, is 0 less than 10 root 2? Yes. Okay, so we are looking for this side of the region. Okay, this side of the region. Now we have to check whether the intersection point which we had earlier is lying in this triangular region or not. Okay, let's check that point. So I'm going to insert here. Okay, so my y coordinate is 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2, and x coordinate is 2. Okay, is it lesser than or equal to 10 root 2? If yes, then it is lying in the region. Okay, so what do I get? 6 root 2 plus 4 root 2. Okay, how much is that? Actually, it is equal to. So I'm getting 10 root 2. Okay, so what does that mean? That means this point lies on the line. Okay, so that means my job is very simple because my line is looking like this actually. Okay, now we have to figure out what's the area of what region now. Okay, region is very clear. This is the region whose area we need to figure out. Okay, how are you going to do that? Again, very simple. Okay, because you see that you can break it up. This is one triangle and this is another region here. Okay, this is another region and this is the triangle here. Okay, so what's the area of this triangle? Can you get that area of the triangle? It will be half times how much is the base? Distance between 2 and 5, that's 3. Okay, and how much is the height? That's the y coordinate. Okay, height is the y coordinate. That's 2 root 2. So triangle area you got to be 3 root 2. Now, what's the area of this region? Let's see. You have to use integration. Okay. So, area of the other region, let's call it A2, would be x varies from 0 to 2. Okay. Only the upper curve, which is the first one, very simple, under root 4x, right? Dx. That's it. Okay. So, you have to do the simple integration now. So, you get 4 upon 2, 3. 4 upon 3, and then this is 2 root 2. Okay, so you get 8 upon 3 root 2. So complete area, you add just a1 and a2, 3 root 2 plus 8 upon 3 root 2. Okay, how much is that? 9 plus 8, that's 17. Okay, 17 upon 3 root 2. Okay, so alpha value will be 17 over 3. That's your solution. Okay, so nice question. See you with another one.